Assets make you rich, liabilities make you poor. That's the rule. But what if I told you the rich have unlocked 15 assets that not only keep them wealthy, but make them richer by the day? Welcome to Success Whisper, where future billionaires come to get inspired. Cash. Apple alone holds over $150 billion in cold, hard cash. Why? Because cash is king. For two reasons: instant opportunities and straight-up high-return deals like peer-to-peer lending. Forget 1% bank returns. Savvy investors use platforms offering 7 to 15% returns. But here's the catch. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Real estate is the GOAT of wealth building. Rental income, passive. Property appreciation, automatic. From residential homes to commercial buildings and land, every square meter can work for you. By the way, short-term rentals equal higher returns. Bonds are boring, but brilliant. Think 3% annual return backed by the government. They're like the slow cooker of wealth, not flashy but reliable. Perfect for stabilizing your portfolio. Stocks equal ownership. Imagine having a piece of Amazon or Tesla right in your pocket. With low entry points, pretty much anyone can invest. But remember, don't just play the market, own the market. Want hands-off investing? Index funds are your best friend. Why buy one stock when you can own the top 500 companies in a single click? The average return? Around 9.8% annually. And our pick? Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. Your laptop could be an asset. Your car also could be an asset. The rule is simple. If it makes you money, it's an asset. If it costs you money, it's a liability. Got a genius idea? Patent it. One piece of paper could earn you millions in royalties. From the slinky to the koosh ball, creativity pays when it's protected. A phrase can make you rich. Michael Buffer trademarked his famous catchphrase and earned over $400 million from it. Brand it, protect it, license it. Kylie Jenner sells lip kits and boom billionaire. Why? Brand power. People buy emotions, stories and reputation. A plain shirt becomes premium with the right logo. The biggest asset in any company? People. Talent can 10 times a company. It's why firms pay millions just to acquire teams, even before the product is built. Gold, oil, art. Smart investors buy low, sell high. Fun fact: art has outperformed the S&P 500 in the last 20 years, and some vintage cars worth more than Lamborghinis. Write once, sell forever. That's the magic of digital assets. Courses, books, songs make money in your sleep. George Lucas gave up a $500,000 paycheck in exchange for Star Wars merchandising rights. The result? $3 billion. Royalties are forever money. Sometimes the advantage is in the rules. Whether it's tax exemptions, gambling licenses, or non-profit privileges, regulatory assets can be golden tickets. The first to move often wins the game. Netflix, Airbnb, Apple's App Store. They didn't follow the rules. They made new ones. Don't have money? Trade your time for it. Then use that money to buy other people's time. That's how you scale. That's how businesses are built. That's how wealth begins. Now it's your turn. Which asset will you secure first? Drop it in the comments with #MyAssetMove so we know you're serious. Because your support is so important, please like, subscribe and share this video with a future millionaire. Until next time, keep whispering success.